How technology in jet engines evolved in making flights safer and fuel efficient. 1. Jet engines have evolved significantly, improving efficiency and performance in modern aircraft. 2. New engines utilize advanced materials, reducing weight and enhancing fuel efficiency. 3. Noise reduction technologies in new engines lead to quieter flights, benefiting passengers and communities. 4. Modern jet engines produce lower emissions, contributing to a greener aviation industry. 5. The evolution of jet engine design showcases remarkable advancements in aerospace engineering. Subscribe for more insights into aviation technology.